this is 10-minute hairstyle. How simple and how gorgeous it is. You can easily pack it like this, or you can let it be.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick clip in, coiling clip in your hair in just less than 20 minutes. So guys, here's the extension I'm going to be using. Is a clip in. It came in this kind of thin straight net. Yep. And this is gorgeous, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. So I got this from Temu. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box so that if you want to get it, you can just click on that link and it will take you to where you can get this from. So let's get started. I'm not going to weave my hair. I'm going to clip it in this hair. That is how I said clip in your hair in less than 20 minutes. We have 4 pieces here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a longer one. Then we have one with 2 clips, like 2 clips each. This is 2, and this one has also 2 clips here. So we also have this a long one, and this long one has 4, and then this one has 3. So now I'm going to be using 2 parts. I'm going to be using 2 parts. So I'm going to start with the back, the one with the 4 clips at the back, and then I'll work my way forward to the front. So guys, let's get started. I'm going to start with those clips that have 3 in it. 3 clips, the one with the 3 clips. I just want to do an easy gorgeous style. We're going to do this in less than, this is 4:52 guys. Can you say 4:52? So let's start doing this hair and see how many minutes. It's going to be a quick hairstyle. So I'm going to do this on this my packed hair. I've already packed it in place, so I'm going to start doing that right now. So we're starting with this. It's going to be a very quick hairstyle. So I've opened the clips. Start here. Another 4. So now, instead of putting it straight, I put it by the side here. With 3 clips. With the second 3 clips. Now we're going to be doing the front bit. So I'll go through like this. I'm going to here. I'm going to move this one to the side here, a bit at the side here. And this one, I'll have to move it by the side. Then we have the last piece here. So guys, I'm going in with this Trust Me glossy ultra glossy spray just to give it that shine. Look at how glossy it is. This is gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. Now I'm going to lay down my edges. Just keep watching and see my see what I'm doing here. So I want to lay down my edges. So I'm going to go in with this band on my head. I use this to cover the track of this gorgeous hair. Take a look at this, guys. Look at that. You can pack it at the back. What do you think, guys? This is absolutely gorgeous, don't you think? It's a quick style. So we started this hair 4:50. Now guys, look at the time. This is 5:01, guys. 5:01. This is 10-minute hairstyle. How simple and how gorgeous it is. You can easily pack it like this, or you can let it be. Tell me what to think about this hair in the comment section. Are you going to give it a try? You can wear this for an occasion, a very quick hairstyle you can do just to, you know, how would they know? Nobody's gonna know. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, share this to anybody who you feel can deserve this to do this. Share it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe on my channel, share this video to people, to your loved ones, to your friends, to everybody. Send it so that I will get noticed, and they'll come. And if you want me to make more tutorials on quick hairstyle like this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.